Hi, Kim here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a matte French manicure with chrome tips. I'm going to use the following colors: Apple Blossom, Meet Me at the Chapel, and Clearly Frisky. To begin, we're going to go ahead and apply a base color of Apple Blossom to our nail stick. Now, of course, you can use any color. You could even just do a clear base depending on what the look you're going for, but I thought this was a really pretty combination. I'm now going to do a complete 45-second cure. Once again, you could use our 60-second GelMoment lamp as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply a second base coat to my nail stick. And we'll just pop that under the lamp and let that nuke again for 45 seconds. Now, with our chrome powders, they don't actually stick to our matte top coat. So I'm going to apply a layer of Matter Effects top coat. And this is going to prevent that chrome from sticking to the part of the nail that I don't want. Once I've completed applying that, I'm going to pop it under the lamp to cure. Now, if you don't have our top coat, you can actually use the gray buffing side of your file and just buff the shine off. To draw my tip so that the chrome will stick, I'm going to use Meet Me at the Chapel. The reason I'm going to use this is because it has a beautiful thin brush compared to our other polished Lovee, which is our normal white. You can see the difference. So it just makes drawing the tip on so nice and slick. It's part of our French collection, or you can buy it individually. Now we're just going to go ahead and create that French tip on the bottom of our nail stick. This is what the chrome's going to stick to. So don't worry about it looking super neat. You just want to make sure that the actual smile line is nice and straight and creates that beautiful smile at the bottom to give you that French manicure tip. And you're just going to go in and fill it in, and of course wait for that polish to settle a little bit so that you don't have any brush strokes. Once you've done that, you can pop it under a lamp and do a full 45-second cure. You want to make sure that it's good and cured. Now we're going to take our chrome powder. This is Southern Lights. It's a super gorgeous pink. I always tap the container a bit to prevent it from spilling any excess out. You're going to then take your applicator and apply it to that Meet Me at the Chapel line. And it should just stick to the Meet Me at the Chapel strictly because of the mat that we had put on there. Once you've got it all rubbed in, you can apply a layer of Clearly Frisky just to the chrome tip. Make sure you do this thin. This is what's going to seal that tip on and make sure that it doesn't get rinsed off when you're washing your hands and that kind of stuff. If you aren't a fan of the matte look, you could, of course, just do the whole nail in Clearly Frisky. Make sure that you cap the end and then, of course, cure it. And here is our gorgeous and super easy, beautiful nail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my videos.